Masi class 8 maths chapter number 1 rational number exercise 1.1 gi solve to hawrasi using appropriate properties find habidi makada piriba roman number asigi question asi properties karamba properties na solve to budagi habidu yengasi ko solution minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 adek ma khangbi dabdi sida khagi tam ahum thoe habidi manabada 3 by 5 ke common ani yawe hadi 3 by 5 ani yawe adu tam se ke anu habidi en thosi amma hida ani sigadi ahum sure adu masi manaba ani yawe 3 by 5 ani yawbani na 3 by 5 ani yawbasi semdo wasi kamai semdo kene habda minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 sigi som purani minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2 manabani thangna le manabani asi khona kamal lo thoni ani si kamal lo thok ragadi 3 by 5 kana le horni minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 lairani plus 5 by 2 sida karamba property sizinagani haibado koina distributive property sizinagani use distributive properties nagi sigi makhada 3 by 5 karanta unara seba ko habidi si ani sigi LCM si kaya tare hakanda 6 tare to the 3 na 6 ta ye taragadi 2 thongani minus 2 into 2 minus 6 na 6 ta yen taragadi 1 thongani 1 into 1 plus 5 by 2 3 by 5 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 1 plus 5 by 2 3 by 5 and then minus minus plus minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2 sina sida kak taragadi 5 na minus 5 da kak taragadi 1 3 na 6 kak taragadi 2 dudi lemhorisi minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 leme adagi makha tabada equal to LCM lobada ani si makha gi denominator ani si makha gi LCM lobada 2 leire adudi mathak kese 1 minus 1 plus 5 minus plus minus ado minus di thamaroi maram di plus 5 sine hena chawrabani na minus mang khane ba ni makhada 2 putharani dagi 2 na se 2 ka 4 2 na 4 ka di 2 dadi 2 answer habadi sem ka 1 na ka ji 1 khada di 1 thambe yadabani na 2 tare answer mathang je Roman number 2 mo horasi Roman number 2 dar is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 1 4 into 2 by 5 this solve to horasi 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 adudi tam kya yaure sisu tam siga ama ani ahum manaba kya yaure 2 by 5 2 by 5 ani yaure ani se mok thamna man thama asi manamdi kamal lawa yana bai damakta semdora asi 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 4 into 2 by 5 adadi ani si kamal tho manana kamal na bai damakta puthorabina mathang le morisi minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 ani si kamal lo tho asi 2 by 5 minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 adi masida karamba property sijinabi aragani distributive properties use distributive properties makada 2 by 5 LCM lo thopada makha gani si LCM lo thodi 14 dare 7 na 14 da yen taragadi 2 into 3 equal to minus 6 plus 1 into 1 1 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 2 by 5 the minus plus minus minus plus minus minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 kakhalasi kaya na kaya na kakpa yare 2 na 14 da 7, 5 na minus 5 da 1, 3 na 6 da ka di 2 neme dagi putharasi 2 sorry minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4 1 by 4 kamain lai hai kanda 1 silai 2 into 6 point 4 adudi ani si LCM di 28 tare sina 7 4 are 28 minus 4 minus 4 7 are 28 7 jadi minus minus plus 7 minus minus 4 plus 7 equal to minus 11 by 28 jadi si answer si minus 11 by 28 tare next makha tawa video da question number 2 3 4 makha samthajara age ngasi gi oina de swai da sum loisan jarage thank you ma'am mayamna video asida soikhiba yaorasu ngakpigani mayam aigi video asibo yengbibuda mayamna pambiragadi subscribe tawbu kawbigunu mayam aduga mayam makha tawa video puthoropada mayamna interest pibinabagi dama comment da wai amom tang thambinaba haijri mayam